Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden crafts design ideas on the shaping and finishing wooden crafts for various craftsmanship that reflect sense of satisfaction as artisans. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Shaping and finishing wood is a fundamental aspect of woodworking that directly influences the quality, aesthetics, and functionality of crafted pieces. For artisans, the process of transforming raw timber into beautifully finished products is not only a technical endeavor, but also a deeply satisfying form of creative expression. Understanding the properties of different woods, mastering various shaping techniques, and applying appropriate finishing methods allow artisans to bring their visions to life while reflecting their unique craftsmanship. The journey begins with selecting the right type of wood, which is paramount in determining the outcome of a project. Different species of wood possess distinct characteristics, such as grain patterns, color, hardness, and workability. For instance, hardwoods like oak and maple are known for their durability and attractive grain, making them suitable for furniture and cabinetry. Softwoods like pine and cedar, on the other hand, offer a lighter weight and ease of manipulation, which can be advantageous for smaller projects or decorative items. By carefully choosing the right wood, artisans set the stage for the entire crafting process, ensuring that their final products not only meet functional needs, but also resonate with aesthetic appeal. Once the wood is selected, artisans engage in various shaping techniques that bring their ideas to fruition. This stage of the process is where the craft truly takes shape, literally and figuratively. Techniques such as sawing, planing, carving, and sanding allow artisans to refine the wood into the desired form. Each method requires a different set of skills and tools, from hand saws and chisels to power tools like routers and sanders. The tactile nature of working with wood provides a sense of connection to the material, and the sound of tools gliding through grain evokes a rhythm that many artisans find meditative. The shaping process not only involves physical labor but also demands a keen eye for detail and an understanding of design principles. Artisans must consider proportions, balance, and functionality as they work, ensuring that each piece is not only visually appealing but also practical for its intended use. This thoughtful approach enhances the satisfaction that comes from creating something that is both beautiful and functional. As artisans see their pieces evolve from rough blocks of wood into elegantly shaped forms, they experience a profound sense of accomplishment and pride. Finishing is the next crucial step in the woodworking process, and it plays a significant role in enhancing the beauty and durability of the final product. The choice of finish, whether it be oil, varnish, lacquer, or paint, can dramatically alter the appearance of the wood and protect it from environmental factors. For instance, applying a clear finish can highlight the wood's natural grain and color, allowing its inherent beauty to shine through. Conversely, a painted finish can transform the piece entirely, providing a bold statement that may align with contemporary design trends. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The finishing process is often where artisans can express their creativity further. Techniques such as staining, distressing, or layering finishes can add depth and character to a piece, allowing artisans to infuse their personality into their work. This artistic expression is an integral part of the satisfaction derived from woodworking. As artisans experiment with different finishes, they learn how to manipulate light and texture, creating unique visual effects that resonate with their individual style. The anticipation of revealing the final look after applying the finish is a thrilling moment, often leading to deep appreciation for the transformation that has taken place. Moreover, the sense of satisfaction gained from working with wood extends beyond the physical act of crafting. It encompasses a connection to tradition and the generations of artisans who have come before. Woodworking is an age-old craft that has evolved over centuries, and each piece created is part of this ongoing legacy. By honing their skills and developing their techniques, contemporary artisans honor this tradition while also contributing their unique narratives to the craft. This duality of honoring the past while innovating for the future creates a rich tapestry of creativity that enriches the woodworking community. The emotional aspect of shaping and finishing wood cannot be underestimated. For many artisans, the act of working with wood serves as a therapeutic outlet, providing a reprieve from the stresses of daily life. The focus required during the crafting process allows artisans to immerse themselves fully in the moment, fostering mindfulness and a sense of peace. As they shape and finish each piece, they engage in a dialogue with the wood, learning to understand its nuances and responding to its characteristics. This relationship between artisan and material enhances the satisfaction derived from the final product, as each creation embodies not just skill but also a story of collaboration. Furthermore, the versatility of wood as a medium allows artisans to explore various styles and applications, from furniture and home decor to artistic sculptures and functional objects. This adaptability encourages experimentation, enabling artisans to push the boundaries of their creativity. The satisfaction comes not only from completing a project, but also from the continuous journey of learning and growth that woodworking entails. Each piece crafted serves as a stepping stone, leading artisans to refine their skills, discover new techniques, and expand their artistic horizons. As artisans showcase their finished pieces, they also share their passion with others, contributing to a growing appreciation for handmade artistry. In a world increasingly dominated by mass production, the value of handcrafted items is being recognized more than ever. Consumers are eager to connect with the stories behind the products they purchase, and artisans who embrace the shaping and finishing of wood can attract those seeking authenticity and craftsmanship. The satisfaction derived from creating beautiful, functional items is amplified when artisans see their work appreciated by others, fostering a sense of community and connection. In the shaping and finishing of wood represent a vital aspect of the woodworking craft, reflecting the dedication and artistry of artisans. This process not only transforms raw materials into functional and beautiful pieces, but also fosters a deep connection between the artisan and their work. The satisfaction derived from mastering various techniques, experimenting with finishes, and embracing the legacy of woodworking enriches the overall experience of crafting. As artisans continue to shape and finish wood, they not only contribute to the beauty of their creations, but also celebrate the significance of handmade artistry in a world that values authenticity and craftsmanship. Through their work, they inspire others to appreciate the art of woodworking, ensuring that the legacy of this timeless craft endures for generations to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden crafts, design ideas on the shaping and finishing wooden crafts for various craftsmanship that reflect sense of satisfaction as artisans. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.